Anger is a natural emotion, but managing it effectively is crucial to maintaining healthy relationships and well-being. Here is a step-by-step guide based on the information from the sources. 1. Recognize anger. The first step in controlling anger is self-awareness. Recognize the signs of anger, such as muscle tension, teeth grinding, or a rising voice. These signals serve as an early warning system to alert you that you are about to lose control. 2. Remove yourself. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to step away from the situation. Find a quiet space to calm down, process the situation rationally, and remind yourself that you are in control of your emotions. 3. Identify triggers. After calming down, reflect on what triggered your anger. Was it something someone said or did, or unmet expectations? Understanding the triggers can help you address the root cause of your anger. 4. Evaluate situation rationally. Challenge yourself to view the situation objectively. Consider if you may have overreacted or misinterpreted the events. Changing your perspective can help you respond more effectively and reduce anger. 5. Select an appropriate response. Choose how you will respond to the situation. You have the power to avoid the situation, control your anger, release pent-up emotions, or redirect your anger in a more constructive manner. Opt for a response that is beneficial for you and others involved. An additional tip for controlling anger is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. That is, we teach here in our channel. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to pause and focus on your breath. Notice the sensations in your body and the thoughts running through your mind. By practicing mindfulness, you can create a space between the trigger of your anger and your response, allowing you to choose a more measured and constructive reaction. Mindfulness can help you stay grounded, reduce impulsivity, and respond to challenging situations with greater clarity and composure. Related, by following these steps, you can develop effective strategies to recognize, manage, and control your anger, leading to healthier interactions and improved emotional well-being. Remember, controlling anger is a skill that requires practice and self-awareness.